Welcome to my workshop. I've decided to congratulate you on the upcoming holidays with a very useful video. How to make these cute paper gift bags fast and easy. Plus a classic version of a bag with handles. Let's start with the bag itself. Take a sheet of paper and fold it like this, stepping about 1 centimeter away from the other edge. Now bend the remaining piece like that. Fix it well with your nails and put some glue on it. You can also use double tape, a glue gun, or any other glue you have at hand. Fold the piece together and wait for the glue to do its job. Currently, this is what we have. Now let's shape the bottom of the bag. Lift up the bottom part of the piece like that. For a small bag, about 5 centimeters should be enough. For a big one, take more. You can bring the corners on both sides to the bottom to mark the required bending lines. Or just open the bottom like that straight away. Press on the sides and shape the paper like this. Here we have the center line. Now lift the bottom part like this, a bit above the center. And fold the upper part down for about the same length. For the bag to stand firmly in its place, make sure that this corner matches the center line. Now we just have to put some glue on the bottom part. And press the upper one to it. Once the glue takes hold, our bottom is ready. This is the piece I've got now, and basically we can use it already as it is. But to make it more aesthetic, let's shape the sides. Guided by these corners, bend the side of the bag like this. On one side and on the other. You can also bend them in the opposite direction to make sure that the paper takes the shape we need. Open the bag and give it the final shape, bending the marked lines in the required direction. Do it on both sides. That's it, the bag is ready. They come out real nice. And here's what it looks like on the inside. And now I'll show you some simple ways to close the bag. Fold the top a few times like this, and then close it with a stapler. I normally use this option. Option 2, fold the top like that again. Punch a couple of holes, run a thread through them, and tie a butterfly knot. This one also looks great. Next, if you want to make an open bag, then fold the top of your sheet like this at the very beginning. And then follow the same procedure that I've shown. As a result, you'll get a bag with a beautiful edge like this. Punch a few holes and put the threads in. So, as easy as that, we've got a nice gift bag. Once again, wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, my dears.